Yes. Unit for Thanksgiving. First stanza. Yes, Tirth, you can start reading.
Okay, sir. For all that God is merit, saints, for health and parents, home and friends. For comment is the time of need. For even kindly word and deed. For happy talks and holy thought. For hap, for happy talks and holy thought. For kindness is in our daily walk. In evening, give thanks.
Very good. Same stanza will read by Tejani Ayushi.
Okay,
Same.
sir.
I will
For
make you read twice. Third time I will explain. Yes, read better.
for beauty in this world for
I can read, sir.
yours.
Ayushi.
When yes, sir.
Tejani Ayushi read.
Okay. For beauty is in this world for ours. For wondered glass and lovely flowers. For song for of bird and hum of bees. For the refreshing summer busy. For
Refreshing summer breeze.
reflecting, for heel and pain, for steam and word. From the
I read.
great ones, midi food, flood in everything give thanks.
Very good. Third one, Madhu Riddhi.
I can read, sir.
Yes, sir.
Riddhi.
Okay, sir. For the sweet sleep which comes with night, for the returned morning light, for the bright sun that shines on high, for the stars glittering in the sky, for these and everything we see, God our hearts we lift to thee. In everything give thanks.
Very good. Now we are going for explanation. So now you read. I will explain. First of all, Kumari Ayushi. बस mic is on. Switch off. Disturbing. Somani Ayushi.
Okay. For all
Hello,
that
sir.
good is Mary said, for health and parents, home and friends,
Hello, sir.
for comfort in the time
No
of
one will
need,
disturb.
for for every kidney kindly words and dead, for happy talks and holy thoughts, for guides in our daily work. In everything we give thanks.
Very good. For all that God in mercy sent, God has given us lots of kindness. Everywhere we can see the kindness of God. For health, we are healthy. We have all have parents, loving parents. We all are living in home. We all have friends in neighborhood, cousin friends, schools, etc. Means those all things God has sent. It is all kindness of God. And that all are for our comfort. When we are depressed, we can get comfort with our mother, with our brother, with our friends, with our grandparents, etc. And when we need, they always support us. Besides this, they provide us kindly words and do some actions. Thus, by action as well as word, they become kind to us. With the same, they also talk with happily. Happy talks. They make fun with us, they make us laugh, and they provide us the knowledge and thoughts, information, ideas of holy, our religions. Great ideas. Besides this, all of them provide us guidance in our daily work. Suppose at your home, your mama, papa say you what to do and what not to do. This is guidance for you to grow and for each and everything which is provided by God. We thanks Him. We are providing Him thanks. Then Ramchandani Vipen.
I am read, sir.
Ramchandani
I can read, sir.
Vipen.
That are presenting one
Hadok Mahi. Hadok Mahi.
Yes.
Read.
My presenting
Okay,
one
Dheeraj
sir.
Satyabanu. No problem. Just a minute. Okay. I start present.
Sir, I am read.
I said Dheeraj Satyabanu.
Yes,
Read Dheeraj Satyabanu. Continue.
Okay, sir. For beauty in this world of ours, for verdant grass and lovely flowers, for song of
Awas.
birds and hum of bees, for the refreshing summer of breeze, for hills and plant, for slim and for the great aunt's mighty flood. Everything give thanks. Sir, I can read. Jogi.
Jodi officer. Bharat Angel.
Sir,
Bharat
Jogi.
Angel read. Bharat Angel read.
Okay, sir.
Pusdariya Kesri. Pusdariya Kesri.
Sir, yes, sir.
Read.
For beauty in this world of ours, for verdant grass and lovely flowers, for song of bees and hum of bees, for song of birds and hum of bees, for the refreshing summer breeze, for hills and plains, for stream and wood, for the great ocean's mighty flood. In everything give thanks.
Yes. Now, first we have discussed the thanksgiving to God. For what? He has given us loving parents, cousins, grandparents, friends, their kindness. Now, second thing, nature. Soft grass, lovely flowers, songs of birds, means birds cries, and humming of bees. In summer, when we have refreshing breeze, we love it. For that, we also should thanks to God. Besides this, in nature, we can see hills and plains, streams and woods, great ocean, and mighty flood. Everything in nature we can see, and those all are gifted by God. Thus, for everything, we should thank God. Ami para Dhruvil.
Yes.
Read.
For the sweet sleep which comes with night, for the returned morning light, for the bright sun that shine on height, for the state glitters in the sky, for there and everything we see, God, good God or heart, we live to three in everything
Give thanks.
gives thank.
Very good. Now, First, our friends, relatives, grandparents. Second, we discuss about the nature. God has provided us beautiful nature. Now, next stanza. For sweet sleep at night, we sleep without any tension, without any worry that someone come and kill me, some insect or animal bite me, or whatever is. We do not have no tension. Without any difficulties or tension, we have sleep, sweet sleep at night. Besides this, after night, after darkness, he provides us morning, means light. When there is sadness in our life, after sadness, we have light in our life. So, here, after night, we have day provided by God. Besides this, he has provided us bright sun which is brightening and it provides us everything. Sun is the source of energy. Sun is also considered as the providing lifeline on the earth, and that is why we should thanks for it. Besides this, stars at night we can see lots of stars, a number of stars glittering in the sky, and it looks beautiful. For this and everything, whatever we have discussed, this means our friends, relatives, parents, cousins, grandparents, etc. Nature, stars, sun, day and night, means sadness and happiness after sadness. For everything, we should heartily thanks to God. And for that, we should give thanks to God. Now, we are moving
I
towards
can read, sir, please.
next part and give three reasons. Yes, it will read by Bharat Angel. Bharat Angel,
Okay, sir.
continue.
Give three reasons for which we should thank God. First, health and parents, home, friends. Second, comfort in the time of need. Third, the refreshing summer breeze.
Yes. There are many reasons to thank God, but here we need to discuss three reasons. First one, health, parents, home, and friends. God has provided this. For that, we should thank God. Second one, comfort in the time of need. When we need something, when we need help, at that time, God provides us comfort, help, guidance, everything. For that, we thank God. And third reason, for refreshing summer breeze. In summer, it is too much hot. And during the hot temperature, accidentally, we get cool breeze. For that, we should thanks God. Next one, Jogani Prachi.
Yes, sir.
Continue, beta.
Yes, sir. Name any two blessings we get through the nature. Verdant green grass and lovely flowers and hill, plains, stream and wood are blessings we get through the nature.
Yes, from nature, what are the blessings provided by God through nature? In nature, how can we see the blessing of God? Soft flower, soft green grass, lovely flowers, hills and plains, streams, wood. These all are blessing of God or blessing by nature. Very good. Next, complete this stanza. Here you need to complete the poem. It will read by Gondalia Srey. Gondalia Srey. Complete
Yes.
this.
For all that God is very sad for health and parents, home and friends, for complete comfort in the time of need, for
Kindly word
needly word and
Did.
for
I did.
all together. For students in our daily work, in everything good, give thank yous.
Yes,
Thank
here you need to complete this stanza. In green light, green color text, it is the question. And next color, light yellow, you can say saffron, that is answer. Remaining part,
I can answer.
answer. This way, the
I
chapter is
did.
I am reading.
over.